how are you all? My name is Ashwini, and in today's video, I would like to speak about how to think in English directly without translating anything. I am a English speaking learner, so if you are learning English nowadays and want to you want to think in English directly, but you are struggling, you don't know how can I think English directly without translating any words. So in this video I will share you three methods which I am using to directly speak in English without translating anything. So first is, if you want to learn English speaking, start directly speaking. And if you don't know how to start, so you can start with tenses. If you are very beginner and you don't know how to start, so you can start learning tenses. You learn tenses, and after you learn tenses, you write it, and then you try to speak using tenses. Right now I am speaking English. This is present continuous tense. I will speak English. This is future tense, and I spoke English. This is past indefinite tense. So this kind of tense, when you learn properly, then you understand, oh, I am speaking like this. So this is the present situation, that was the past situation, and in future how can I practice, how can I speak English. This kind of things you can speak. And you know what, second step is not a second step is, you learn directly whatever vocabularies and whatever things you don't know, see around that things. Like right now you can see I'm outside, so many things. Now my grandmother is doing this, which means she is firing that, she's lighting that little sticks, thorn sticks. So this is blowing here is called smoke. If you don't know what say this in English, how can you speak in English? No, you don't speak if you don't know what say this in English. So you learn vocabulary. Any topic, on any topic you want to speak, first you learn that topic vocabulary. So if you are cooking, let's get some examples and understand through that examples. If you are cooking and you don't know what to say this pan in English, this glass, this action, just I am kneading dough, this action is kneading, I'm making balls, I'm rolling chapati, like this kind of actions you don't know. So you learn first those vocabulary. This action is called knead, this is dough, this is flour, this is strainer. Like this kind of words you learn first, okay? Then you understand, yeah, while you are doing that things, so you automatically understand, oh, this thing is in English is word is this. So when you know all words about that thing, so you can easily speak English. But if you don't know that vocabulary, that words, it is very hectic situation while you are trying to force on your brain and pushing your brain, what say this thing in English, and you are not you don't know, how can your brain tell you that thing name is this. So second thing is learn vocabulary, and third and most important thing is practice. whatever you learn, don't remember only. Whatever you learn, maybe you are learning is just 10 sentence, just 10 vocabulary new words. Try to use those words, those sentence chunks in your life. Record yourself. If you are shy guy, if you are shy guy and you don't want to record yourself, no, it's not matter. But if you want to learn English, you can practice in the front of the mirror. Stand in front of the mirror and practice with yourself. No anyone to watch you, to look you how you are speaking and how you are doing your practice. This is not matterable. I live with my grandparents and I practice English alone. Like you are right now, my grandmother is farming their woods. So we will try to describe real things. Okay, now you can see, guys, she is finding that sticks, or you can say wood, anything. Usually all people know that anything which part of tree, we say that this is wood. So she is lighting and she is sitting there and she is just adding that twigs in that fire, because she wanted to fire all these twigs. And you can see here are so many branches and here are firewood pile. And the weather, you can see the weather is just normal, not so sunny, and it's looking like all white clouds gather over the sky, gather and the sky, and it's looking like just normal. So like this kind of practice you can do. And if you are making so many mistakes, it's okay. If you are doing so many mistakes, it's okay, because mistake means your progress. However mistakes you will do, that things you will learn and you will understand, oh, this thing is this and this is language. You are making mistake, it's okay, no problem. But most and main thing is you are learning, you are improving yourself daily. This is the one of the best thing and important thing. So guys, I live in village, and right now I am sitting on this bench, and everywhere is just no any people. All environment is calm, fresh air is blowing here. I feel here breathtaking. And like this kind of vocabulary I learned on ChatGPT. So that's why I know that how to speak. And I have been practicing English since 6 months ago. This is my 6th month. This is my 6th month is going on. And if you want to learn English speaking, make subscribe this channel, and I practice English with me, because I am not a native speaker and just I know all things. I am learner and I am improving myself. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends or family members. We will meet in our next video. Bye bye.